Q5075, two aircraft of the same category are approaching an airport for the purpose of landing. The right-of-way belongs to the aircraft? A. At the higher altitude. B. At the lower altitude, but the pilot shall not take advantage of this rule to cut in front of or to overtake the other aircraft. C. That is more maneuverable, and that aircraft may, with caution, move in front of or overtake the other aircraft. The correct answer is B. The lower aircraft has the right-of-way when two or more are flying towards an airport with the intention of landing. However, a pilot may not use this restriction to pass another aircraft in front of it, as it is on a final approach to land. 5074. While in flight, a helicopter and an airplane are converging at a 90 degrees angle, and the helicopter is located to the right of the airplane. Which aircraft has the right-of-way, and why? A. The helicopter, because it is to the right of the airplane. B. The helicopter, because helicopters have the right-of-way over airplanes. C. The airplane, because airplanes have the right-of-way over helicopters. The correct answer is A. The aircraft to the other's right has the right-of-way when two aircraft of the same category are approaching at roughly the same height, apart from head-on or nearly so. Since both rotorcraft and aircraft are considered equally maneuverable, neither gets priority over the other. 5076-1. Airplane A is overtaking airplane B. Which airplane has the right to way? A. Airplane A. The pilot should alter course to the right to pass. B. Airplane B. The pilot should expect to be passed on the right. C. Airplane B. The pilot should expect to be passed on the left. The correct answer is B. According to FAA FAR 91.113, each aircraft that is being overtaken has the right-of-way, and each pilot of an overtaking aircraft shall alter course to the right to pass while clear. This means that the aircraft that is being overtaken, in this case airplane B, has the right-of-way, and the overtaking aircraft, in this case airplane A, must alter course to the right to pass safely. The pilot of airplane A should be aware of the aircraft that is being overtaken and should take steps to pass safely. The pilot should not attempt to pass on the left, as this would put the aircraft in a blind spot and increase the risk of a collision. 5076-2. An airplane is overtaking a helicopter. Which aircraft has the right-of-way? A. Helicopter. The pilot should expect to be passed on the right. B. Airplane. The airplane pilot should alter course to the left to pass. C. Helicopter. The pilot should expect to be passed on the left. The correct answer is A. When weather circumstances allow, each person operating an aircraft must keep attention in order to notice and avoid other aircraft, regardless of whether an operation is carried out in accordance with instrument flight rules or visual flight rules. Each pilot of an overtaking aircraft must change course to the right in order to pass while clear. The aircraft being overtaken has the right-of-way. 5076-3. During a night operation, the pilot of aircraft number 1 sees only the green light of aircraft number 2. If the aircraft are converging, which pilot has the right-of-way? The pilot of aircraft? A. Number 2. Aircraft #2 is to the left of aircraft number 1. B. Number 2. Aircraft #2 is to the right of aircraft number 1. C. Number 1. Aircraft number 1 is to the right of aircraft number 2. The correct answer is C. The aircraft to the other's right has the right-of-way when two aircraft of the same category are approaching each other at a nearly equal height, except head-on or nearly so. Aircraft number 1 is to the right of aircraft number 2 because the green light indicates that aircraft number 1 is gazing at the right wing of the latter.